Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap. Holton, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is one that takes you more than 50 miles from your current home or business. These moves can take place within your current state or far outside of it. 3 Movers is known for its exceptional long-distance moving services. Our customers are covered by comprehensive moving insurance, which we provide at a service to them. So that your relocation can be legally supported, we obtain federal and state permits as part of the moving process. In addition, we deliver your items to you, and they will always be in the best condition when they arrive. Your items will be handled with great care by our professional movers. We carefully sort and pack your belongings into our top-of-the-line moving vehicles. These trucks are capable of transporting a wide range of household items. Our drivers have mastered the art of driving these trucks, and they are a force to be reckoned with. You can rest easily assured whenever we manage your relocation. Local moves necessitate just as much expertise as long-distance moves. Despite their shorter distance or lower complexity, if you're thinking about moving to Holton, we're the best moving choice. Our rates range from $30 to $40 per hour, which is very reasonable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.